Hi, this video was created for those who want to know more about RemoteCall Mobile Pack. In this video, we will show you how to install the product and how to get connected. So, without any further delay, let's get to it. RemoteCall Mobile Pack is made of two parts, the agent's side and customer's side. In the agent's side, you will need the agent program. This can be downloaded and installed from the product's website. Also, you will find a link to download the program at the end of the video. In the customer's side, you will need to visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for the keyword mobile support, all one word, install the app and enter the 6 digits code to get connected. So, to start, we need to install the agent program. Download the installer from the link provided at the end of the video. Once downloaded, run the file and just follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. Unless you are behind a proxy, just press Next to continue. At the end of the installation, you will be prompted to install the remote printer driver, which is optional but required if you want to use the remote printing option. To get connected, you will need to first log in to the agent program. Enter the ID and password provided on the purchase confirmation email and press Login. If you are successfully logged in, Agent Program will show 3 icons on the top which shows the available services RC, MP, VP depending on the purchased product. Press the big Start button to launch the viewer. Viewer is the window that will show the customer's device when connected. The service will generate a random 6 digits code and show it in the viewer. This code should be passed to the customer to be entered on the mobile app. Now that we have the agent's side ready for connection, let's install the app on the customer's side. There are mainly 2 ways to install the app. First one is for the customer to manually search the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store with the keyword mobile support. Except a few, most of the customers should be able to do this, as installing an app is a common task nowadays. The other one is to send an SMS with the link to the app. Customer will open the text message, press the link and it will take them to the app install screen. Here is a quick tip: if the customer has received a support previously and still has the app installed, then just by receiving and clicking the SMS can connect directly. Okay. We are ready to get connected. Support agent should inform the connection code to the customer and customer enters it on the app. Customer agrees to the terms and conditions and press OK to get connected. Done. Support agent can now see the mobile device's screen and press the control option on the top to start controlling it. To know more about features and available options, check out the RCMP features video. After supporting the customer, either the agent can close the viewer to end the connection or the customer can tap the widget to close the connection. On the agent's side, they will have the option to create a support report. Thanks for watching this video and contact us to the email below for any question.